How's it going, YouTube? This is Gilded Art, aka Carlos, whatever you guys want to call me. And today we have a special series that I want to tell you guys about. And the reason it's so special to me is because recently I've been getting back into my art because of YouTube and because I get to share it with you. It's just become more fun for me. But because I lost so much interest in my art before, there's a lot of artworks that I have that I haven't finished because, I'd start drawing it, kind of fall off of it, and then move on to the next thing, and it was just became a cycle. And so I have a lot of things that I haven't finished, and so I want to go back through and do a series where I finish these artworks. So as you guys can see behind me, I have my Procreate tab open. I'm going to kind of minimize myself a little bit more, but I have a lot of things that I haven't finished. As you can see, some of them obviously you can see that I've made videos on already, but there's a lot of them that I haven't finished, like these Dragon Slayer ones. I have a special idea for that. It's going to be cool, so stick around for that in the next coming weeks. But like I said, the name of the game is just to go through and actually finish these. I have another tab for my personal artworks that, I could also turn into videos. A lot of this is Dragon Ball because it's what I love to draw. I love Dragon Ball. But, I'm going to try to finish a lot of these things, which brings us to this video. We're going to be drawing this. We're going to be finishing this one. So stick around to the end to see how it came out. But if you guys want to support the series, make sure to hit that like button. Without further ado, let's get into the drawing.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path.
All right, guys, this is the finished piece. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comment section below. I thought it turned out pretty good. Mirio has always been my favorite character in My Hero ever since his first episode that he debuted in. So drawing this was a treat for me. I love this scene. It was very powerful for me. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Again, if you guys like this series idea, please hit that like button and let me know. Other than that, if you guys are new here and you guys want to help support the channel, please hit that subscribe button as well as hit that bell icon so you guys get notified for any upcoming videos. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to my gaming channel, again, the link is going to be in the channel or I'll put it in the link in the description below. But other than that, guys, I've been Gilded Art and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.